In this video, we'll talk about why you should consider removing certain people from your life, especially those who don't value you. First of all, it's humiliating to go back and approach people who don't care about you. Especially when there's no benefit in it. The first thing you need to understand is that you don't need to explain to someone why you're distancing yourself or why you're offended. If someone has hurt you, been fake with you, badmouthed you, or anything else, that's enough reason to exclude them from your life. There's no need to tell them why. When someone spends enough time with you, they know very well what they're doing. In some cases, it may even be obvious to them that you're distancing yourself. Therefore, there's no need to explain something that's already known and understood. Often, it's difficult to understand why some people act in a certain way, especially when they treat you poorly just because of your attitude. However, putting on a show by accusing, offending, and screaming will not bring pleasure to you or to other people. It's important not to let yourself be carried away by anger or frustration when someone hurts you. Therefore, if someone disappoints you, don't give them the show they want. Simply remove that person from your life without giving any explanations or seeking revenge. Act in silence and peace, because it's there where you'll find emotional balance for yourself. Remember not to show anger or discontent when someone hurts you, as this will not bring you any benefit. Instead, choose to act in silence and peace. When removing these people from your life without the need for explanation or revenge, it's important to understand that not all people deserve a permanent place in your life, especially those who don't value you. By distancing yourself from these toxic people, you'll open up space for healthy and genuine relationships. It's essential to surround yourself with individuals who support you, value your contributions, and wish you well. By removing those who don't care about you, you'll be strengthening your self-esteem and protecting yourself from further disappointments. Life is too short to waste time and energy on people who don't add value to your journey. Therefore, don't feel guilty about distancing yourself from toxic relationships. Remember that you deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you up, bring positivity, and are genuinely interested in your personal growth. There's something important to understand in life. During your journey, you'll have the opportunity to meet more and more people. These people may be in tune with you, sharing common interests or speaking at the same pace. Therefore, be someone exceptional, as you're in constant evolution. When you meet people who make you angry, it's tempting to return that feeling and seek revenge. However, it's essential to move on and meet other people who are going in the same direction as you. Don't let these negative experiences turn you into someone who's disappointed. Be patient and focus on what's under your control. Remember that the greatest damage caused by a mistake is not the mistake itself, but the effect it has on you. If you allow anger and revenge to guide your actions, you'll be acting exactly as that person wanted. In addition, it will cause more damage to yourself, as this feeling will consume you internally. Stay in silence, move on, and seek progress. Visualize that there's much more ahead. As people often say, don't get stuck on what someone did to hurt you. Instead, learn from that experience and close the gap that allowed that person into your life. Eliminate these gaps and strengthen your defenses to avoid harm, betrayal, or deceit. Don't feel the need to explain your actions to that person. Don't argue with them if they intentionally caused you pain. Show courage by simply excluding them from your life as soon as possible. Learn the lesson and understand that sometimes it's healthy to distance yourself from certain people for a month, a year, or even for life. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new content. Leave your like and comment. See you in the next video.